Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a PDF in Confluence page. First, go ahead and log into your Confluence account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select the space that you want to navigate. Once inside, you can see its contents, so just go ahead to the page where you want to add your PDF. Once inside, on the upper ribbon, click on this image icon to add in a file. Now, just go ahead and upload your PDF. After that, select your PDF and click on Open. Now you will be able to see your file. You can click on it to choose a display option, whether inline or card. You can also go ahead and preview it to see your PDF. Now you can also upload another one if you'd like to. Just select again your PDF. And there you have it. You now have your PDF to your Confluence page. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.